Algorand value equivalent to 4.0125 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.9243 The earlier day close, 4.2510. The change was 0.2385, 5.61%. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 4.93 rands, high 5.28, low 4.58. Algorand estimate on Monday, April 3, cost 4.92 rands, high 5.26, low 4.58. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost 4.71 rands, high 5.04, low 4.38. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost 4.82 rands, high 5.16, low 4.48. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost 4.72 rands, high 5.05, low 4.39. Algorand gauge on Friday, April 7, cost 4.41 rands, high 4.72, low 4.10. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost 4.35 rands, high 4.65, low 4.05. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost 4.65 rands, high 4.98, low 4.32. In about 14 days Algorand figure on Thursday, April 13, cost 4.43 rands, high 4.74, low 4.12. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost 4.61 rands, high 4.93, low 4.29. Algorand figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost 4.72 rands, high 5.05, low 4.39. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 4.32 rands, high 4.62, low 4.02. Algorand figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 5.24 rands, high 5.61, low 4.87. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 5.15 rands, high 5.51, low 4.79. In about a month Algorand figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 5.18 rands, high 5.54, low 4.82. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 4.83 rands, high 5.17, low 4.49. Algorand conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost 4.46 rands, high 4.77, low 4.15. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for Walk 2023. Excessive cost 5.28, while low cost 3.32. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.93, change for spring 10.5%. Algorand conjecture for April 2023. At the outset cost at 4.93 rands, excessive cost 5.61, while low cost 4.02. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.83, change for April 2.0%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.83 rands, exorbitant cost 5.51, while low cost 4.03. The found the middle value of cost 4.88. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 5.15, change for May 6.6%. Algorand figure for June 2023. Before all else cost at 5.15 rands, excessive cost 6.39, while low cost 5.15. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.67. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 5.97, change for June 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 5.97 rands, exorbitant cost 5.97, while low cost 4.66. The found the middle value of cost 5.40. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 5.01, change for July 16.1%. Algorand estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 5.01 rands, exorbitant cost 5.01, while low cost 3.92. They found the middle value of cost 4.54. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 4.21, change for August 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.21 rands, excessive cost 4.62, while low cost 4.02. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.29. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.32, change for September 2nd 0.6%. Algorand conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 4.32 rands, excessive cost 5.36, while low cost 4.32. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.75. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.01, change for October 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 5.01 rands, excessive cost 5.01, while low cost 4.12. They found the middle value of cost 4.64. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 4.43, change for November 11.6%. Algorand estimate for December 2023. To start with cost at 4.43 rands, exorbitant cost 5.17, while low cost 4.43. They found the middle value of cost 4.72. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 4.83, change for December 9.0%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 4.83 rands, exorbitant cost 4.83, while low cost 3.78. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.38. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 4.06, change for January 15.9%. Algorand figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 4.06 rands, excessive cost 4.06, while low cost 3.17. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.68. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.41, change for February 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 3.41 rands, excessive cost 3.41, while low cost 2.66. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.09. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.86, change for spring 16.1%. ZAR to ALGO swapping scale equivalent to 0.2492 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2299-0.2548. At earlier days nearby 0.2352. Change for now plus 0.0140 plus 5.95%. ZAR to ALGO cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Ran to Algorand conjecture on Friday. WAC 31 cost 0.203 coins, high 0.218, low 0.189. ZAR to ALGO expectation on Monday. April 3 cost 0.203 coins, high 0.218, low 0.190. Ran to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday. April 4 cost 0.212 coins, high 0.228, low 0.198. ZAR to ALGO expectation on Wednesday. April 5 cost 0.207 coins, high 0.223, low 0.194. Ran to Algorand value prediction for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. R to ALGO expectation.